Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Welcome back on Spices and More. Today I got for you one of the Goa's favorite recipe, mostly prepared in every household, which is bangdache suke or mackerel curry. Very easy to prepare and a perfect combo with hot steaming rice. So let's start with the recipe. Here I've taken 10 small mackerels and I've cut them into pieces. And I will set aside the bony part or the head part of the mackerels. Don't include this part into this suke. Then I'll add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half to 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, little salt, and now mix it gently and marinate it till we do the further process. Now let's prepare masala for this. I've taken a mixer grinder and I'll be adding 1 cup of grated coconut. In goes 3 whole red chilies and 1 whole Kashmiri red chili. You can increase or decrease the spiciness as per your preferences. Now I'm adding about 6 to 8 black peppercorns. In goes half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 small tamarind piece. Now add little water and grind it coarsely. We don't want this to be fine. And here I'll be adding 5 to 6 Sichuan pepper or Indian prickly ash, also known as tephra in Goa. We find it widely in Goa, and this particular spice is also used in Chinese cuisine, so I think you will find it everywhere. After adding this pepper, just give it a pulse, don't grind it for a long time. Then I've heated a pan again with about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'll be adding less than 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or the methi seeds. Do not add too much methi seeds, otherwise it might turn bitter. Next I'm adding the ground mixture, and as you can see the mixture is coarsely ground and is not very fine, and we need this texture of the mixture. Give it a mix. And a small reminder, after adding the Sichuan pepper, don't grind it for a long time, just 1 pulse is enough. Next I'm adding salt as per taste. And again remember, we have already marinated mackerel with the salt, so take care and adjust the salt accordingly. Here I am adding 1 turmeric leaf. Please add this turmeric leaf. If you have, it gives nice flavor and aroma to the whole dish. Traditionally, this turmeric leaf is used. If you don't have, it's perfectly fine. You can omit it as well. In goes 3 to 4 kokum. Again give it a mix. And now I'll be adding the marinated mackerels. And after adding marinated mackerels, you need to be very careful. You need to mix it very gently, or else you can just swirl the pan around, but don't mix it rigorously, otherwise the mackerels might break. Mix it very gently. And this is the reason I told we should not use any head part or the bony part. And here I added about 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Some of them add the grated ginger when they are making the mixture, but I prefer adding like this as it gives nice taste. I'm adding little water to adjust the consistency. You no need of closing the lid, you can just cook it this way only, as mackerel don't take much time to cook. And in about 5 minutes on medium flame, you will see the gravy or the curry or suke as we call it is ready to be served. Isn't it very easy and simple recipe? If you haven't tried it before, I'll highly recommend you. Please give it a try. Enjoy it with hot steaming rice. Let me know how you like this recipe. Share your review in the comment section below. I will love to read it. If you like today's recipe, please hit the like button. Share this recipe with your loved ones. See you in my next another videos, and thanks for watching.